Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install MongoDB 7 on Windows 10 or 11. The process for both Windows are same, so let's get started. First of all, search for MongoDB on your Google. The first link would be this one. Open this up and it will take you right over here. Here you can see at the top we have products option. Click on this and you need to click on Community Edition. Once you click on Community Edition, you might end up over here. This is where you need to scroll down, click on select package, and once you click on that, this will take you over here and you just need to download this. At the top right corner, you can see I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download this right now. Once you download this, go ahead and search for MongoDB shell also. Click on download and it will take you right over here. Here you just need to scroll down, click on download, and once you download both of them, we are going to start the installation process. Now let's download MongoDB first. So I'm going to open that and click on this option, click on run, and here we are. I'm going to close this window so you can see this clearly. Click on next, accept the terms, click on next, complete, and leave all of this as it is. Click on next again, uncheck this one because we don't need this. Click on next and install. Wait for installation, then I'll show you what you need to do next. Once you install the MongoDB, open your directory where you installed that MongoDB. So I have that in C drive, and once you click on C drive, you will find that over here, MongoDB. Click on this option, go to server, 7.0 and bin. Once you are over here, we are going to copy this directory so we can paste that in environmental editor. So minimize this and search for edit environmental variables for your account. Once you click on that, it will take you right over here. We are going to click on path over here. As you can see, double click on it and here click on new and paste that directory over here. Once you paste that, click on OK again. Now we are going to install MongoDB shell, which we have downloaded already. So this is the file. I'm going to run this, next, and install. Once it is installed, click on finish. Now we are going to check that our MongoDB is installed correctly or not. So to do that, search cmd on your Windows. You will end up over here and we are going to write MongoD -- version. And as you can see, we have successfully installed MongoDB on our Windows 10. And obviously, this is the same process for Windows 11. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.